This video discusses plagiarism and academic misconduct that can occur due to collusion. Engaging with others' ideas is a key part of study. However, collusion can occur if a student works too closely with others on an assignment or part of an assignment that is supposed to be an individual task. While it is acceptable to talk about concepts and share ideas with others, it is not acceptable to do another person's assignment, even in small part. Individual assignments are designed to help students learn and show their own understanding of course content and ideas. If it becomes unclear where one student's work stops and another's begins, the marker cannot accurately assess a student's learning. As you can see in this extract from the university's academic misconduct rule, collusion is highlighted as a key breach of the academic integrity principle. Working with other students to complete an individual task is also highlighted here at the deliberate end of the plagiarism spectrum, for sometimes this can occur due to poor practice as well. Collusion sometimes comes from good intentions, such as the wish to help out a friend. For example, sharing your notes with a friend, sharing your answers for an assignment, rewriting a friend's work for clarity, advising a friend which sources and evidence to use, might all appear harmless, but all would be considered collusion because the work that is ultimately produced comes from multiple people's efforts. And when people are found to have colluded, all parties are guilty and can be penalized, not just those who benefited most directly from the collusion. The best way people can help each other to understand the material is to discuss the ideas, questions, and potential solutions in general terms. Students should not draw up a detailed plan of their answers or assignments together. They should not develop identical reading and reference lists, and when it comes to writing up the assignment, this should be done individually. Of course, some assignments are not to be completed independently, but in groups, such as having to write a report in a small team. In these instances, follow the instructions of the course convener carefully, particularly around distributing workload among group members, to ensure everybody makes an equal and honest contribution to the process. The next and final video in this series discusses contract cheating as a form of misconduct. If you have any further questions about collusion and how to avoid this, please make a time to discuss these with ANU Academic Skills.